I am Jay Prajapati, and today I will take our first class of English language, and the topic is noun. This is a very common topic, as we know that, but don't worry, I will give you something new ideas about the topic. So let us start the topic. Okay, so as I have written all the topics, all the things at the board. Now see the very first the topic name is noun. If we talks about the definition of noun, so we know that a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, quality or state. Okay. In other words, noun is a naming word. If we talks about noun, so noun is a naming word. Everything that has a particular name is known as noun. Is that clear? Let's see some examples. If we talk about some examples, Monica is a person. Delhi, ball, bag, dog, bravery, honesty, etc. These all things are noun. Monica is the name of person, Delhi is the name of place, ball and bag is the name of thing, dog is the name of animal, and bravery is the name of quality, and honesty is also a quality. It is also name of a quality. Okay. Now the question is that how to find out a noun. We have to find out noun. Okay. So we can find out noun by using some particular words like what, who and whom. All those words that give the answer of what, whom and who are known as noun. Is that clear? So let's see how to find out noun. If we want to find out noun in a sentence, then we have to ask a question, and when the questions give answer of who, what and whom, the word will be known as noun. Let's see some examples. The very first sentence, I have written a sentence, Radha gave a toy. Radha gave a toy. Now see, who gave a toy? So we will get answer Radha. So Radha is a noun. Radha gave a toy. Now again sing, Radha gave what? Radha gave what? Then we get answer a toy. So here a toy is also a noun. Sentence number second, Manish gave a toy to Priya. Okay, see, who gave a toy to Priya? We get answer Manish. What Manish gave? A toy. This is also a noun. Again see, Manish gave a toy to whom? So we will get answer Priya. So Priya is also a noun. Now see, sentence number third, Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a big city. Now see, Delhi, that is a name of place. So it is a noun. Delhi is a big city. Delhi is what? A big city. Now see, city. City is also a noun. Sentence number 4, Mr. Vikas teaches mathematics. Now ask a question, who teaches? We will get answer Mr. Vikas. So Mr. Vikas is a noun. Mr. Vikas what teaches? We will get answer mathematics. So mathematics is also a noun. Now see the next sentence, that is very good sentence. Fortune favors the brave. Fortune favors the brave. Now put a question, what favors? So we will get answer fortune. So fortune is also a name of noun. It is also a noun. Sentence number 6, love is blind. Love is blind. Put a question, what is blind? We will get answer love. So love is also here using as a noun. Sentence number 7 say, Monica loves her motherland. Then ask a question, who loves her motherland? We will get answer Monica. Monica is a noun. Now see, sentence number 6 and 7. I have used two words in the both sentence same. Love here and love here. But both words are used in different forms. Here the first word, sentence number 6, love is used as a noun. In sentence number 7, love is used as a main verb. I mean to say, a word can be used in different forms, of parts of speech. Okay? So I hope you have understand all these things. Okay?